My zombie fell and broke. Again. So I got the super glue zip kicker. Been using this stuff since mid-80s. You'll see how fast crazy glue dries. Let's start with his foot. Maybe. So many pieces. This is not going to be fun. Yeah, I could do the foot. Little dab will do you. Little dab will do you. Let's get a little outline going here. Alright. Now, instead of waiting for the glue to dry, zip kicker. We'll make it dry. And instantly. Did I say it smells really bad? Because it does. But it's instant. Instant. It hardens immediately. Incredible, right? Look at that. Okay. This other foot. Probably should be wearing gloves, but then the glue sticks to the gloves and oof, this stuff stinks. But my zombie's gonna have his foot back. This is exciting. My poor ranger zombie. You know what? I'm gonna put on the foot and add the pieces as needed. Let's do that. Alright. Hold it with my, oh boy, push too hard. Put a little leverage. Good. And spray that shiznit. Add a little more. A little bit back here. Probably should have a towel too. Should probably have a lot of things. Poor zombie. It's incredible. It's amazing how long I've been using this stuff for, though. Literally, like 1985 or 1986 with the RC cars. And it works amazing in the pinch. Like, it's not a permanent thing with an RC car, but you're out and about racing. You can keep going. You don't have to be on the sidelines with a broken car. Man, yeah, I'm missing a lot of pieces. I broke this thing years ago the same way I did recently. Poor bastard. But that's going to hold on by gravity. So I'm just going to add the glue this way. Lower this tube running low. Probably. You know what I did? I think I got some on the tip. Let's cut that off. Ah, you sugar beans. Censored version. Yeah, I think it's out. That's alright. I got more. Came prepared. That was an old one. Oops. Get a new one. Be a little more careful with this one too in general. Because the zip kicker gets in there, it'll dry out this whole tube. I think it feeds backwards. Stuff is cray cray. The Disgusting. Good. In a good way. Disgusting. Asperger. Oops. Got some on the desk. Okay, that held. I'm not touching the doll this time. I don't want the zip kicker drawing out the tube. And watch where I spray it too. Oh, I could hear it crackle that time. Got these little pieces to put together, but let's do his head now. I'll get those later. I just wanted to demonstrate this stuff. Poor Ranger Zombie. Okay, so now we're gonna let Gravity hold him on there like that, and give him a zip kicker necklace. Dish voila. How about that? Now I'll finish the rest. But there's your zip kicker demonstration. Remarkable. Kudos. All you need is crazy glue and some zip kicker. You get that at a hobby store. You're welcome.